Hey guys, welcome back to CodeRush. If you just created a new ASP.NET Core Web API using .NET 10 and suddenly the Swagger is gone, don't panic. We'll explain why Microsoft did this and show you exactly how to bring Swagger back in less than 3 minutes. Alright, quick clarification. Swagger was not removed from ASP.NET Core. In .NET 10, Microsoft stopped enabling it by default. They now ship a native open API generator that produces the API spec, but no UI. Create the project here, an API project. So look for ASP.NET Core Web API. So use this one. Optional support for open API and authentication. So check language here, C#. So have this. Let's call it Swagger, right? Then we have .NET 10 here. So let's click create. So the first one we have to do here is to add the nugget package that corresponds to adding the Swagger. So in this case, we'll look for swashbuckle ASP.NET. So let's look for it. Let's look for it in the nugget package. So type here swashbuckle. Let's just type Swagger, right? Let's type Swagger. Alright, so we have Swagger here, have Swagger, ASP.NET Swagger. Let's take this one, swashbuckle ASP.NET Core. So we use this one, let's install it. Alright, so click on apply, accept. Alright, we have the package, so let's just come here and check. Alright, so we have it here. Alright, so the first thing we need to do here, I need also go to properties and launch settings.json. This is just a step to ease the development process. Alright, so we need to set the launch browser here to true, set to true. Alright, and set launch URL to Swagger, so that we just get it the Swagger interface on the web browser when we launch the app, just like before. So after doing this, we now go to the program.cs. This is where we're going to do the configuration for Swagger. Alright, so we'll come here, we'll add the service, we'll register the services. Alright, builder services, and we'll say add endpoint. Alright, APIs Explorer. Right, this is what we'll use. Reset the service. Then the second service we'll need now is the add Swagger gen. Alright, so and add Swagger. Alright, so after we register these two services here, what we'll now do is that we'll come here into this. So what we'll do, we'll say app.use Swagger. Alright, and say app use Swagger gen, use Swagger UI, sorry. So basically after we do this, we'll have Swagger back. So let's test this. Alright guys, as you see, we'll have this way, so you can try this out. Alright, guys, so a common mistake here is thinking add open API gives you the Swagger UI. It doesn't. Open API generates the specification and Swagger UI is just a viewer. If this saved you time, hit the like button, subscribe to CodeRush for more real-world .NET and C# content. Let me know in the comments if this helped. See you in the next one. Take care.